everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I make assorted meat pepper soup. Yeah, so here I'm using different kinds of meat. I have shaki, roundabout, kidney, liver, the main meat itself, etc, etc. I have rishi meat here. So I've washed and cleaned the meat. So I just added it to a pot. Added some crushed red pepper and some hot pepper, followed by some diced onion. Add some crayfish. So in this bowl I have oziza, ehu, and oda powder. I'm going to be adding it to it. If you don't have this, if you have mixed pepper soup spice, you can use it. So followed by some ginger and garlic powder. So next I'm going to be adding some Maggi star. Okay, you can use any seasoning cube of your choice. Then add some adobe all-purpose seasoning. This is optional. If you don't like it, don't use it. Use what you like. So after that, I'm going to mix it to combine all the ingredients and the meat together. So after mixing it, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I will be stirring it every 5 minutes though. So here I did not add any extra water. The juice you are seeing here comes from the meat itself. Okay, so I'm going to stir it and add a little more water, enough to cook the pepper soup. So after that, I'm going to be adding some, what's the name again, otazi leaf. Yeah, I have otazi leaf here. So if you don't have otazi leaf, you can use nchanwu or some parsley leaf. Then after that, I will be adding a little salt to taste. Then stir it properly and cover it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, the pepper soup is ready. As you can see here, I've already scooped it into a plate, another plate to refrigerate it, so that anytime we want to eat, we just take it out, warm it, and eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumb up, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.